Well, hey there, YouTube. I thought I'd show you a little car I picked up just for running around and whatnot. 2002 Mazda Protege 5, 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual. But here it is on the outside of it. It's a 2002 and it only has 95,000 original miles on it. It has good newer matching tires all the way around, new brake pads all the way around, new timing belt and accessory belts, and 4 new spark plugs, coil wires, tune up. All that was done before I bought it. Now, it didn't look like this. The inside of it looked like it had never been cleaned in its entire life. I spent an entire day cleaning this thing, using my carpet extractor on the seats, with my upholstery attachment, cleaning all the dirt and dust and yuckiness out and cleaning it all up to what you see now. Not too bad though. I did go ahead and buy a set of floor mats. And since the car has this simulated carbon fiber accent there, I picked up a steering wheel cover that kind of accented that, and I think kind of goes with it pretty well there. The car actually starts, runs, drives excellent. I checked it over with a fine-tooth comb before I bought it. Absolutely everything that's supposed to work on it works. So I'm really happy about that. Like I say, the inside of it was a real mess. But I've got it very presentable now. So here's inside the rear hatch here. And it does have a little cover there that comes with it. Goes up and down. Here's the other side in the rear. I mean, I really wasn't in the market for another car. I've got 3. Well, SUV, Expedition, a F-150, and a little Kia. But after test driving this and seeing the miles on it, I mean, for the price he was asking, which wasn't a lot, I figured, it's not going to hurt having this one. Just having it as a little backup car, in case something goes wrong with one of the others, or just a little run around town car. EPA has this as 28 miles per gallon highway, which I thought was pretty low for it being a 2-liter 4-cylinder 5-speed manual. I actually topped the tank all the way off. I went on a 100-mile drive, came back to the same exact pump that I filled it up at, topped off again, and calculated the math manually, and I got 38 miles per gallon. So I guess it's how you drive it and whatnot. I mean, that was a highway drive, but I was able to get 38 miles per gallon out of it. Like I say, absolutely everything works on it, which, usually most of the time you buy a car and there's a bunch of stuff that doesn't work. I wish I would have taken pictures before of just how disgusting it was inside. I mean, the inside of the windows are so dirty and fogged up. I don't know how, you know, they could really see out of them. But yeah, well, there's me. I've cleaned them and polished them, and got them real clean. And it even has a new front windshield that was just replaced about a year ago, so that's pretty nice. The headliner in it's in good shape too, which is always a plus. So anyways, that's a little 2002 Mazda Protege 5. I guess this is a hatchback or a wagon. I'm not sure what they call it. But after owning a 2000 Ford Focus wagon and the little Kia Rondo, I guess that's like a little wagon. We actually like them. They I just prefer them. You can actually, go to the grocery store and put all your groceries back there, and they actually make pretty good, pretty wise space of the, I don't know what I'm trying to say. They make wise room of the space, I guess you could say. But anyway, yeah, so I mean, I've never even really thought about this car ever getting one. Like I said, the price is just right, and it's just in such good shape. The paint's old. It's got the silver. I'm not a huge fan of the silver. The Nevada sun has taken its toll on the paint, but it's not terrible. And of course, the wheels can be polished up. But no wrecks, no leaks, no smoke. 95,000 miles. Just couldn't say no to it. And I even went ahead and polished up the headlights, and they were dull, but after I got done with them, they look really nice, and they actually work excellent. Yep, there's the other one on the other side there. So they look really nice. And there's that front windshield. I mean, that had just been replaced, so no chips or anything like that. I mean, I guess a lot of people would consider a 2002 just a little junker. And but I don't know. When you find a car that just runs really well, that's been maintained right, even if it's not the newest or best looking thing out there, it's good to have around. And I only get 14 miles a gallon in my F-150, so this here will be great for running around if I can get, that 38 miles a gallon out of it, even 35. But yeah, I don't think it's a bad little car at all. Alright folks, thanks for watching.